In this video today, we will see what to do if you are not receiving push notifications in your iPhone. Now, push notifications are alerts that you receive from applications even though you are not using those applications. Now, the first thing that you will do is you will simply restart the phone. Sometimes restarting the phone fixes many of the minor issues. The next thing that you will do is you will swipe the screen from the upper right corner. In order to open this control center, go to focus, and if this do not disturb mode is enabled like this one, disable this option, do not disturb. Also go to this option settings, go to focus, go to do not disturb, go to apps, and if there is an application under this list, then what happens? Do not disturb mode will be applied to that particular application only. So make sure to remove any application from here, so that do not disturb mode won't be applied to any application. After that, what you do, you go to settings again, go to this option notifications, go to this option schedule summary, and if it is enabled like this one, you can disable this option schedule summary. Again go back, go to show previews, and make sure that you select this option always, so that you can see the preview of those push notifications on your iPhone screen. The other thing that you will do after this one is you will again go to settings, go to this option general, go to this option background app refresh, and make sure that you have enabled this option background refresh in Wi-Fi or else Wi-Fi and cellular data. Don't select this option off. If you don't enable background app refresh, then what happens is you won't be able to receive push notifications from those applications when they are not being used. Now, if you have problem receiving push notifications from particular applications only, then what you do is go to settings, scroll down, and suppose if you are not receiving push notifications from this application, open it, go to notifications, make sure that you have enabled this option allow notifications. If you don't enable this option, then you won't be able to receive push notifications from that particular application. And make sure that you select these options banner, notification center, lock screen, so that you can see the alert of the push notifications there. Also enable this option sound, go to show previews, and make sure to select this option always. So do these things if you have a problem receiving push notification from a particular application only. Now if this thing does not work, then what you do is go to settings, go to this option general, go to this option transfer or reset iPhone, select reset, and select this option reset all settings. You have to enter your passcode, and then you can reset all settings. Now this will reset settings related to data, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi only. Your data in your iPhone won't be deleted. Now even if this does not fix the issue, the last thing that you can do is you can uninstall that application and reinstall it again. So do all of these things, and hopefully you should be able to receive push notifications from applications. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share this video if you find it helpful. Also click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos for free.